Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the goddamn channel. I'm Luis Borja, your host. Today you guys are watching ProjectSploosh. Today, bro, I'm gonna take y'all through a little something different. Today I'm gonna introduce y'all to a new camera. It's not nothing new to my collection. It is a Lumix Panasonic DMC-FS4. This thing right here does damage. Look, bro, the only reason I bring up this camera is because the way that this camera makes me perform, it pushes me past my limits and it actually makes me seek discomfort. And that is today's topic of today's video. This is your daily reminder, bro. Go smile, drink your water, go work out, remember why you started, and spread a positive message. Now, without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Whether you guys are some creatives, an artist, a teacher, a student, or just someone who likes to kick it at the crib, seeking discomfort is literally so important no matter what field you guys are in. Once you seek discomfort, you will find so much more in life. Once you're able to push yourself, you're able to be aware of all these other lenses that you might have never noticed before. Or in other words, you'll be able to actually be the character in your movie. This doesn't mean that you have to let go of things that you learned from the past. This just means that you are now more aware of your surroundings and you're able to view life through a different lens. This might sound mad familiar to a lot of you guys, but bro, as humans here, I feel like we all get so damn comfortable with not doing anything. You know what I mean? Like, we just get into this routine, bro. We wake up, we check our phone, you know? It's where we're all lost in the clutter in our brains, and we do our day-to-day things, and then we wonder why we never progress. The reason why I bring up seeking discomfort is because, bro, wait till you're on your deathbed one day, bro. You're looking back on your life. Do you think you'll be proud with the decisions that you made? Would you look back and be like, oh, I wish I did that. I wish I did this. Stop, bro. Because you do not want to be laying on your deathbed wishing you did something. Go out and literally seek something different. Seek something that's going to make you uncomfortable. Being able to put yourself in this position brings me on to my second point, and that's focus. And I'm just going to use this as a reference. Let's say you're a portrait photographer. You're so used to shooting portraits. You do senior photography. You do weddings, some shit like that, right? And you go out and shoot landscapes. You're like, oh, you're stressing out. You're like, what the do I do? This is when the seeking discomfort comes in. Now you're focused, bro. Now you're locked in, and your task management and your memory from the past and things that you have learned while you're progressing through life, now it all hits just because you took the one simple act of seeking discomfort. Bro, damn, bro, that shit is beautiful. I recently took a trip. Actually, it's not recent, bro, at all. I took a trip with the guys down to Colorado, bro, one time. This is like when I first introduced this camera into my bag, kind of. And bro, wow. It was one of the scariest steps I had to take. I had to learn a whole new camera, even though, bro, this thing is so easy to shoot with, but I had to learn a whole new camera. I had to figure out what kind of theme I wanted to do with it. I was shooting landscapes when I don't have a genre, I don't have a niche of what I shoot, but I was shooting landscape. I guess I wasn't really prepared, but I was out there trying things that I haven't done yet. And that brings me on to my number 3 topic for today. The drive that you get while you're out there, while you're shooting, bro, and you're looking at this shot and you're like, oh my God, this is beautiful. How do I do this? This brings up your creativity along with the task management. How do you want to take the steps to get to that creative vision in your head? How do you want to translate that into a picture form? I don't know, bro. I know I'm just rambling, but moral of the story is go out, step beyond your comfort zone, go live life, go experience something, go try something new that will give you the goosebumps, that will give you the butterflies, because that feeling right there, I think that's the feeling of life. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope that I could inspire you guys to do something that you normally wouldn't have. And if you guys do, bro, I would love to see it on the gram. If you guys enjoyed any of the pictures that I've thrown up throughout this video, they're all on the gram. They should be on my website as well, so click down below or the link will be in the top right corner. Anyway, bro, thank you guys so much for the support. I can't thank you guys enough for the amount of support that I've actually gotten on this channel. And without further ado, I'll catch y'all in the next video. If you guys haven't tuned in, bro, tune into my Heirs to Come. It's my summer series where we film the whole summer, and my Project 118 series where I brought my camera all around through college and basically just kind of captured the college scene. But anyway, I'll let y'all go. Remember why you started, go do something fun, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace out.